What's going on, YouTube? It's Jonathan bringing you another sneaker unboxing. Yes, it's another pair of high top Jordan 1s. Let's get to it. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel, man. I got shoes for days. I got content for days. If you're a collector, if you're a sneakerhead, if you like Funkos, got a whole bunch of everything. Anyways, onto the shoe. Has that leather vinyl. Comes with 3 laces total. Comes with the purple ones on there. Yellow and white. These right here are the Jordan 1 Brotherhood, aka they call it the Lakers. The Lakers has more of a like a royal purple. This is more like a soft kind of faded purple. You can still find these shoes way under retail. You know, this is a good sneaker to have in rotation. I do know that the colors are not like ideal for everyday wear, because you know, not everybody has a soft purple like this. But I mean, overall, I think for the price, I think they retail for, I want to say 160 or 170 plus tax. You can find them on Gold, StockX, maybe even eBay for anywhere between 120 to 150 after fees, which is awesome. Definitely gotta cop these. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I just do this because I'm a sneakerhead. Been a sneakerhead for a while now. Let me get right. But what y'all think? Cop or drop? Do you guys have these in your rotation or not? Overall, I think a pretty solid shoe. You could wear it with a white tee. You could wear them to the gym. These are not your pair of ones that, you know, they're $300-400 overhyped in price. For whatever reason, these shoes were going a little bit over retail, but maybe they make so many pairs that I think they even reached the Nike outlets or the Nike clearance stores. So with that being said, the decline on these was major. These are a shoe to hodl or hold on for dear life. These shoes eventually will go up. I don't know the time frame, but I say maybe between the next year through 3 years, these will travel up in price. Just because 1, everybody slept on them, and 2, this is a high top Jordan 1, and we all know that these things get pricey. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. I'm almost at 1K. I'm sitting around 900 subscribers right now. So please support your boy, and thank you for tuning in. Jonathan concluding another sneaker unboxing. Thank you all.